Because there is impact on our brain,
Right.
is there impact on our mental health with creatine?
Excellent point. So the best lines of evidence here come from clinical depression and anxiety. The group out of Utah in the United States have clearly shown that creatine, in addition to other therapies. So this is important. Creatine by itself has never been shown to be a standalone, but with SSRIs or cognitive behavior therapy or methamphetamine use in populations under medical supervision, the addition of creatine seemed to improve symptoms, and it's likely going back to all the ones we've already talked about, where it improves bioenergetics, it improves neurotransmission or neuromodulation, but it also in animals has been shown to improve a protein called BDNF. So this protein is involved in brain plasticity. So there's a whole bunch of emerging evidence and hope that creatine one day will be used as a treatment in the toolbox for a lot of these clinical issues. PTSD also comes to my mind.
There was a study in Gatorade Sports Science Institute, which PubMed published, that said a study of over 200,000 adults found that those who consumed the least amount of creatine in their daily diet had the highest rates of depressive symptoms.
Yes, that's correct. And the common denominators, those with clinical depression or anxiety, when you measure their baseline creatine stores, very similar to concussion or Alzheimer's, they're reduced. So therefore, obviously, this condition or series of conditions is causing a disruption at the brain bioenergetic level, and creatine levels are decreasing.
And there was another in PubMed that said, in a clinical trial of women with major depression, adding 5 grams of creatine to their daily antidepressant doubled their remission rate over 8 weeks.
That's correct, yes. And that group is from Perry Renshaw's group out of Utah. They do great work. Our hope, and I'm collaborating with some colleagues now to look at creatine as a standalone treatment versus placebo. Could it have some beneficial effects there? So that's very exciting to come out.